In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Find and Replace in Microsoft Word. This is a simple, time-saving skill that helps you quickly fix repeated typos, update terminology across a document, or make consistent edits without scrolling for ages. I'll walk you through exactly what each option does so you can make changes confidently and avoid unexpected results. First, open the Find and Replace tool. The quickest way is to press Ctrl+H on your keyboard. If you prefer using the ribbon, go to the Home tab and click Replace in the editing group toward the far right. Either method opens the same dialog, so use whichever feels more natural. You'll see two main fields and a few buttons that control how the changes are applied. Next, in the Find What box, type the word or phrase you want to locate in your document. This could be a single word, a short phrase, or even a bit of punctuation. Be precise here. Spaces and spelling matter. Then, in the Replace With box, type the new text you want to use. Think of this as telling Word, whenever you see the first thing, swap it for this second thing. Now choose how you want to replace. If you click Find Next, Word simply jumps to the next match without changing anything, so you can preview where your search term appears. Click Replace. To change only the current match you're looking at, then move to the next one so you can confirm each change as you go. Click Replace All to update every match throughout the entire document immediately. Replace All is a huge time saver, but use it carefully because it will change every instance it finds. If you want to review changes one by one, stick with Replace instead of Replace All. That way, you stay in control and avoid altering something you didn't intend to change, like a similar word or part of a larger phrase. When you're finished, Word will let you know how many replacements were made. Click OK to confirm that message, then close to exit the dialog. That's it. Your document now reflects the updates you specified. To recap, open Find and Replace, enter what you're searching for, provide the new text, and choose whether to inspect each occurrence or update them all at once. With a bit of care in choosing the right option, you'll make clean, accurate changes in seconds. Thanks for watching, and happy editing!